With just a few ingredients, this quick and easy recipe will be ready in no time. For our dish today, I'm using a grater to shred 3 potatoes. I've already peeled them to save some time. This recipe is perfect for dinner and super simple to whip up. Place the shredded potatoes in a bowl. Crack in 3 eggs and mix everything together really well. Oh, and quick question, where are you tuning in from? Let me know. Now, let's season it up. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder or flakes if you have them, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Give it another good mix. Next, toss in a tablespoon of fresh parsley and green onions. Stir it all up. Grab a frying pan, throw in a tablespoon of butter and let it melt down. Pour in half of the potato mixture for now and spread it out evenly. Add 5 slices of tomato on top. And of course, cheese. I used about 5 ounces here, but feel free to use more or less, depending on your taste. Now, pour in the rest of the mixture and spread it out so it covers everything nicely. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. After that, carefully flip it over. Cover again and let it cook for another 5 minutes. And there you go, our recipe is ready. See how quick and easy that was? This is perfect for busy days when you need something fast and delicious. Trust me, it's so tasty. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. The list of ingredients will now appear at the end of the video. See you in the next video. Enjoy.